Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for those that were asking about Bluesky Social Network, what it is and why it exists, basically the Bluesky Social Network is there to be an alternative to Twitter. The reason is personal reasons, political reasons, many reasons. Might want, you might want people to move away from Twitter. There's actually a lot of organizations that have started, and but we're not here to be political or anything. We're here just to talk about what it is and what it's like. And well, it's without any surprise, very Twitter-like. So I've actually created a account with which is my amateur radio and shortwave radio side. I was thinking of possibly creating a Bluesky account, maybe that would be related to this channel, the Windows Computer and Technology. Could be interesting to have. But now it's actually going to be mostly for my amateur radio and my shortwave radio channel, which is what I was actually doing on Twitter, which I also have an account there. And it's no surprise. Basically, what you have here is really a Twitter copy, basically, and it has been, of course, it's fairly new, but it's gaining quite a lot of users. So this is interesting. Of course, when you search, you could see that it's still not as rich and prolific as the X website, but eventually it's going to get better and better over time. So it's easy to create an account. All you have to do is go and create whatever account you want with an email address and password and so on. And once you verify all of that information, well, you're able to actually interact and then follow and have followers. So this is interesting. If you are an amateur radio operator or shortwave radio enthusiast or radio enthusiast of any kind, you can join here. I will be posting a lot of things, including our shows that we have. We have a show that is on a local radio station in Montreal called the International Radio Report. So why not follow me over here? And we'll be posting daily little blog posts of all sorts of things happening in the world of radio. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.